It's been 2 days since my last harvest and the garden is already starting to pump out some more stuff. Let's go harvest. These are alpine strawberries. They're like wild strawberries that I start from seed. They have continuously pumped out strawberries for the past month and they're not done yet. I got more blueberries to pick and these are just baby blueberries. This plant is gonna grow so much bigger, a couple feet tall. That's not a bad size beet. Oh man. Some more salads for dinner. Let's pick some oregano. The husband requested that I dry some for spices. Mmm, how delicious.